Well, Colin, are we there? Are we ready?
Gonna put these belts on and we're ready.
Belts on, and she's going in the car for good, boys?
Potentially.
Don't jinx it.
660, that's the Supercharged belt.
God, how do you keep all of this in your brain compartments and departments?
We got oil in it, we got transmission fluid in it. The only thing we're waiting for is the engine in the car.
Engine in the car. Are you ready?
I think everyone's ready at this point. All 9 people watching at home.
What are you so scared of, pal? We have one engine fall on one guy's hand one time.
It wasn't even yours.
And he's all jumpy.
It wasn't even his hand.
Yeah.
Or his engine.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope I'm not scratching on that paint. Oh.
The engine paint?
Yes.
Dude, I painted that, bro. You can't scratch that. It's impenetrable.
Okay, that's good. If we have to move it, that's gonna suck to move it on front jack stand.
What we could do is me and Colin could just lift it up and move it back. We ready, boys?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna leave this camera on you, Colin. You start the show now.
I did not start.
Coming down. Coming down.
It's okay. Let's get the strut tower kind of bolted on.
I know, what I'm saying is I can see this engine mount over here. How close is that to hitting? Is it gonna make contact before you get your strut tower through? Because it's definitely tilted like this. So like if you just let the jacks down a little bit, that will drop that ass in and then we can stab. Yeah. Teamwork makes the dream work.
You're not. Here you go.
How's that?
Drop it. That didn't work.
Look at that! No broken extremities? Hell yeah, boys.
There it goes.
Come on.
What? Are they different lengths?
So we have throttle. We're now gonna have clutch.
That's right.
We got ignition.
Yes, we do.
What else do we have? At this point, I think the better question is, what do we not have?
I mean, I like the way you think, but
I like the way I think too. He was pretty excited about his headers last night, and they're not even done.
really,
He acted like it was my fault for not coming out here and holding his hand the whole time. That's right. You heard that, old guy.
Okay, next thing I'm gonna do coolant lines.
Come on.
I like this little guy.
What is that?
Like a magic creeper.
How's it work?
I'll show you.
It creeps?
Don't step on this, but it's slippery.
Oh, so you can just slide around?
yeah, here. Just
Whoa.
It really makes it nice.
Where'd you get that? Amazon?
You know what, I saw it, I think on Gears. One of those Saturday morning shows. And
It's on Amazon. Link in the description.
I love that.
That thing is legit, dude. Yeah, we got to wrap this up. Let's do a little wrap up for today. Again, she does not run. What happened, boys? Ordered the wrong fuel line.
I'm sure I didn't order the wrong fuel line. I'm sure the wrong fuel line just came.
Eating hose suit.
Look at that, dude. When in doubt, leave it out.
got the cutters.
Who would have thought AN fittings needed an assembly lube, right? Welcome back. Colin managed to get the correct size fuel lines, so you're already one-upping your dad.
Way to put it.
That means the car's gonna run today because his dad's not here. Kyle's not here to slow us down. So we gotta tighten those down, and then we're putting that tank back in. Actually,
I think we put the tank in, and we run the fuel filter right here.
Yeah.
We have to mount it.
yeah, and then
Drop
we'll
the car down.
throw the hoses up, drop the car down, and get to hooking.
I don't like all the frayed ends.
What do you mean? That's the best. That's how you know we cut it with a die grinder.
And we got this beautiful cutter. No, I will not put down the wrench so I can use 2 hands. Like a smart person. That wasn't as clean as I
That thing
wish.
seemed kind of garbagey, bro. That looks way worse than the die grinder. Not only that, you crushed the inside.
How the... That was a waste of $45.
Remember that one time when you made fun of my die grinder cuts?
Let's do the
And you were
diagram.
like, dude, those are garbagey garbage. And I was like, dude, those are the best cuts you've ever seen.
It was pretty good.
Yeah.
Guess we're doing die grinder.
We're doing good. All right, spark plugs are hooked up. Dog bone is in with a lock washer because Kyle's not here. And Colin really likes lock washers, like the rest of us. What we got? Fuel lines are done.
Ugly but done.
The what?
Ugly but done.
That's only because of your band clamp. You get rid of that
Cut that
thing.
off your wall.
You get rid of that thing, dude. It'll be looking pretty stylish, styling and profiling. Yeah, no, I think so. Everything's zip tied up. Got a starter cable ran. Not happy with it, but we can do it temporary to try and start it tonight. So we need a ground cable. We need to fill it up with coolant. And what else do we need? E85. That's it. And we can turn the key. Probably put an air filter on it. That'd probably be a good idea. The go-go juice. You got power? All right, key it up. Oh! Okay, the starter works. I wasn't saying start yet. Let's key it up and let's see if we can hear the fuel pump prime. I mean, it may be a really quiet fuel pump. I don't hear no fuel pump wise. Not as massive as running, which is what we wanted, especially with your dad skipping today. But, you know, it's right there. She's on the edge. She's on the edge, Colin. All right, brother, I'm shutting down. You gonna get in trouble, or are you coming tomorrow?
I'll be in trouble.
Girlfriends. All right, we're gonna see today if we can figure out why this fuel pump's not kicking on. We'll start by making sure these relays have power to them. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. We've been blessed with the appearance of the jar man. All right, PCM did not have 12 volts on the primary permanent positive feed, so I just spliced in this janky wire for now. Now let's see if we got fuel pump relays over there
Yep.
in the corner. You want to feel them and see if they're clicking?
I heard a click,
Oh, you heard it click?
but I thought it was here.
Well, that's already better than what we had.
Yeah, I heard a click, but I couldn't tell you where it's coming from. Try it again. Oh, the fans are on. Yeah, try it again. Yes. I'm hitting. I was gonna say, how'd you get in here? Because I know you could open the door.
Yeah, there's no way he fit in there. Should seen Colin get in yesterday.
Right.
Try it, see what happens. Well, the good news is it turns over. I don't see anything spraying anywhere.
I didn't see any fire. Right. I don't smell anything. I've got no smell. I mean, I should smell some gas by now. Well, I should smell
It
something.
still smells like gas. It's just
I don't have a smell.
20%, you know, Iowa corn, sweet corn. Please tell me it was a new fuel pump. Okay. Just checking. You never know with Kyle.
I'll never know, man.
I checked the mail.
Thank you, Jerry.
Have fun.
All right.
I'll try and crawl out of here.
Yeah, I don't think we can help you with that one, man.
I don't think so either.
But I would think I'd hear the. Is it a mechanical or electric fuel pump?
Electric.
I should hear it. Is it a clicky clack?
I don't know.
You'd have thought we ought to be able to hear something functioning, right?
You would think.
Where's it located? Somewhere
Under the car.
Under the car. That's
In the
a,
dead center.
nice.
Well, fuel pump's back out. Me and Colin's fuel pump install was a little sketch.
Like you adding my name to that makes it sound like I messed up.
Reaction to that.
That never happened.
You prankster. Don't kick it over here, dude. We're not trying to get smoked out, man.
Put the battery hold down in?
No, I don't think so.
I don't know. That fuel?
Oh, it's coming out of the exhaust.
Unburnt gas.
Is it that rich? Oh.
It runs, but it's spraying fuel. That's a lot of fuel.
Oh my god.
That's just a little.
Is that fuel?
Yes.
Out of the exhaust.
Yeah.
What?
I said, hook
Yeah,
up
that
HP.
giant puddle is
What?
fuel.
Jesus. Hey, it runs though.
Runs.
Should probably down the fueling a bit.
It's still
Gotta figure other shit out.
Come on.